All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Monday morning. I pray everybody is blessed in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. It's a beautiful day. God is good. What a wonderful time to be alive. As usual, guys, if we can get 700, if we can get 1,250 likes, we will be giving away $1,000 of Bitcoin live on this stream. Do me a huge favor, guys. Follow me on Twitter at Jason_Casper, all lowercase letters. Go ahead and retweet the stream that I just tweeted out. Give it a heart. Let's see if we can get those likes going on in here, y'all. This live stream has been provided to you by Carl from the Moon.
Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal.
All right, y'all. Well, we are live on this beautiful Monday morning. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, the Messiah. I pray everyone is super blessed. I know that I myself am blessed. Baruch Hashem. Praise God for all his goodness. I want to get into this Bitcoin price action today, guys, because as we can see for the... Wait a second. This isn't the Bitcoin chart, guys. This is the Jason Casper like button chart. Make sure, guys, to FOMO into the Jason Casper like button, because I guarantee that we will never again see the like button this low. This is, it's as low as it can go. The Jason Casper like button is the new Luna, getting ready to moon. And I usually don't give trade setups live, unless it's a VIP stream, of course. But look at this beautiful risk to reward ratio. In order to eke out this tiny little profit, you only have to risk all this. So make sure to FOMO into the like button, guys. All right, so let's get into this this Bitcoin price action. All right, let's get into this Bitcoin price action. So Bitcoin last night, did come up into a very important area of resistance. And I am short from that area of resistance. This is the short trade that I have open right now. I have taken profits, obviously, guys. I've locked in about $2,500 of profit, and I still have about another $1,500 on the table here. Honestly, kind of thinking we're going to hit some lower prices. So, why was this area of resistance so important? The reason is because if we take a look at a higher term time frame, we can see that before we had this big dump, right, all the way down to that low wick that we put in here, we were consolidating right here along this level, around $31,300. And so if we take a look at the volume that was trading there, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my visible range indicator. We can see that the highest volume node came in right around this level, right around 31K to honestly 31.3K, because if we go back in time a little bit, we can see that when we were trading over here, the highest volume node was $31.3 thousand. And so we came up and literally rejected right off that level, right? Exactly off that level. And so I am short, and this is a setup that we did give in advance yesterday morning in the VIP Discord, where we were looking to come up to the exact level of around $31,000 to $31.3 thousand, where we also had a golden pocket. We also had a daily level. We also had a naked point of control. And we were looking for something very specific on Market Cipher B. I wanted to see bearish divergences on the 12-minute time frame. I wanted to see bearish divergences on the 12-minute and the 6-minute time frame, and I wanted to see money flow getting lower as we came up to that area of resistance. So if we go to the 12-minute time frame, we can clearly see that as we were coming up to, and let me go ahead and turn off this volume indicator right now, as we came up to this area of resistance, right? Look at this. We come up to the area of resistance. What is happening down here? We are in fact getting a bearish divergence on the 12-minute time frame, right? Bearish divergence on the 12-minute time frame. Look at what the money flow is doing also, guys. It's coming down. If we go to the 6-minute time frame also, we can see that the money flow and the momentum is in fact getting lower. And we can even see that on these lower term time frames. Look at the money flow on the 3-minute time frame. As we're coming up to our key level, it's getting lower every time one of these money flow waves makes another hump. And honestly, the money flow on Market Cipher B, this is one of the juiciest, so to speak, indications, because when we're coming to key levels, that money flow is really going to tell you whether or not we're going to break that level of resistance, right? People were getting pretty bullish up here. There were a lot of people saying we've broken out of the resistance. We're going to hit higher prices. People were saying, you know, we broke out of this $30.9 thousand resistance, and it was looking pretty healthy. But you know, when you have a key level of resistance and you see these things on Market Cipher B, then it can allow you to know what you're looking for, guys. Very important to know what you're looking for, and then once the trade plays out, you lock in profits. I locked in profits at pretty much every area of support on the way down. And then, of course, last night we were also looking for a bounce from this area. And we actually did come down last night and get that bounce as well, right from the box. So shorted it down and then longed it up. Trade setups given in advance in the VIP Discord. If you do want to get into the VIP Discord, guys, you can go to patreon.com/JasonCasper. Also, if you do want to learn how to trade this way, you can check out the course. There's a 25% discount in the description, jasoncaspertrading.com. This course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident and profitable trader. And so what do I think is going to happen now with the Bitcoin? It's something that we need to talk about, because really, I do think we're going to know some very crucial things by the end of today. I really do, because here's why. If we come and take a look at what has happened here, from the low that we put in back down at about 25.6, we can see that if we're going to get more of a move to the downside, we are going to come down to some very key areas of support, these Fibonacci levels right here. And when we are in a very strong, powerful, I should say, when we're in a very powerful trend, up or down, the two most important areas that we need to hold if we want to see further upside are going to be the 382 and that golden pocket. Now, there's two things that could happen here. Either we're going to put in a higher low and continue in an uptrend and we will have a V-shaped recovery. I should say there's three things that could happen here. Or we're just going to keep on continuing in a massive downtrend like we've been in since November 11th. Or we are simply going to put in a sideways range for a while and then either lose that to the upside or to the downside. So which one is it going to be? It depends, guys. It really depends. We can't know for sure what is going to happen, but the only thing that we can know for sure, and the only thing that is within our control, is that we understand that there are three possibilities, and regardless of what happens, we have a plan in advance for all of those possibilities so that we can be confident like this man right here. Because look at this guy's face, all right? Look at his face. You would not walk around with that smile, with that goatee, with that hand on the hip, if you know what I'm saying, unless you were very, very, very confident in yourself and in the plans that you had for your trades, right? And so really what I'm kind of doing right now is I'm going to be looking around to see, all right, if we do come down to some of these areas of support, let's say around 29, right? Or let's say around 27.5-ish where we have this golden pocket, right? If we come down to these areas, what do we want to see on the chart? Well, in my opinion, guys, I would like to see something that looks quite like this, all right? Uneven butt cheeks. This is what I like to see on Market Cipher B if I'm looking to jump into a long trade. And the reason is because that is how we are going to find those juicy entries. For example, when we came down to this exact bottom right here, we had a very deep momentum wave followed by a not so deep momentum wave. And if we go ahead and we turn off Market Cipher B, well, we can see that it looks like this, right? And here's the thing, all trends come to an end, right? It's so easy for people to think, you know what, things are just going to keep going on. Since our fathers fell asleep, all things will continue on as they have since the beginning of the creation. But all trends must come to an end, guys. And when you're at the club and you're drinking your green iced latte, culotta, mocha frappa, okay, you think everything's good. You think you're just going to keep partying all night long and not pay for the repercussions in the morning until 2 a.m. the lights come on in the club. And what do you see? You see these uneven butt cheeks. And when you see those, look what happens here. This is where we get the actual pivot to the upside. And we have had a pretty significant pivot to the upside. In fact, we got a 25 almost percent move. Wow. 25% move to the upside. And so, as I was saying, when we're coming down to these areas, I will absolutely be looking for Market Cipher B on the 12-minute specifically, the 12-minute time frame. That's like my favorite time frame, the 12-minute. If you're in the VIP Discord, you notice that most of the trade setups I give, I'm looking for stuff on the 12-minute because this is like the sweet spot, guys. Market Cipher B, the 12-minute, that is the sweet spot right there. And yeah, so I'm going to be looking for that on the 12-minute. Right now, Market Cipher's not really loading for me. So let's see what happens here. Aha! There we go. Yeah, so let's pull out our fibs here once again and turn on the 382. Yeah, so what we do want to see as we come down to the 12-minute, well, not to the 12-minute, to some of these areas is going to be those bullish divergences. And we could right now, like literally during this stream, come down to the 382, and we could be putting in a lower low on the price action and a higher low on Market Cipher B right here, right? With money flow curving to the upside on the 12-minute time frame. Even if we get something like this, that could be quite bullish. So that is kind of what I'm looking for, guys. And of course, if that does happen, then I will be looking to hop into a long. But let me pop into the chat real quick and just see how everyone's doing. Thank you guys for being here. And shout out to the Crypto Yacht. Crypto Yacht, thanks for being here. Shout out to Aaron G. Shout out to TB who's asleep. Yeah, I feel you, bro. These streams can get kind of boring, especially if we're just doing Bitcoin and we have low volatility. I feel you on that. Shout out to Ken. If you don't have Market Cipher, yeah, I mean, if you don't have Market Cipher, then use another oscillator, as Aaron G says. You can use any oscillator you want. For me, I really like Market Cipher. Are we at 100K on Llama Coin yet? I'm not really sure. Shout out to McGarrett, who planned the trade but was asleep. That happens a lot, planning trades but then being asleep for them. So here's my solution to that. Don't worry about it. You're always gonna be able to get into another trade, right? You don't ever have to worry about missing a trade. There's plenty of opportunity out there, guys. There's plenty of opportunity out there. So yeah, let's check on the trade right now. So, I am looking honestly, so the next place that I would like to take profit would probably be coming back down to this low around 28. This area right here. This is the next area that I would probably like to take profit. 28,600. So I'll take a little profit out at 28,600. And I only have $34,000 left on the trade. I started out with 100,000. So you can see I've taken most of the position out because this is a scalp, and I'm kind of just looking to trade this to the bottom of the range. But I will take out another, let's say, 300 contracts there. And yeah, hopefully by that point I'll have, you know, a nice little profit chilling right there. We shall see what happens, because here's another thing, guys, that I forgot to mention, is the fact that we are currently also at support, right? We're currently also at support. We did come down to this area of support where we have the golden pocket, and we also do have down there just some nice areas of support. In fact, it was one of the areas that we were looking at last night to potentially find support in between 29.1 and 29.5. So we're still at support. We're still at support. This whole little area here is support, and you know, until we lose this, then we might not get our move to the downside, but we are forming what some might call a bear flag, right? And if this is a bear flag, then let's check out our target. What would our target be? Our target would be right down to the golden pocket. Wow. So that's pretty nice, honestly, guys. I have to say, this is pretty nice. Targeting, looking for an area around this area is nice, considering we have the confluence of this bear flag, right? We have the bear flag, target right down to the golden pocket. And let's talk about a few other areas that we need to be aware of besides these fibs, because there are other areas that I'm looking at to potentially get into a trade. First of all, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, right? Check this out. If we look at all the price action that we have been trading for, you know, really since, really since December, right? Look at this. We have this old range with a clearly defined high and a clearly defined low, and we have this level right here of around 35,000. This would be a really interesting retest of support now flipped into resistance, and also right around that area we have this, right? We have this right around that same area where we had this trend line. And so one of the ideas that I also have is potentially getting a move up from that golden pocket to this area for a rejection. And honestly, the rejection would probably look something like this, right? I definitely want to see, as we get up to that area, the look in the eye of having been put in the friend zone, right? When you ask out that girl, you really liked her, and you wanted to go out with her, and you finally got the courage to ask her out, and she gave you that hand, she gave you that face, and she's like, ugh, you're like a brother to me. I would never even think about dating you, ugh. And you were just left standing there all by yourself. Very depressing times, guys. Oh, man. Sheesh. Very depressing. But, yeah, that is something that could happen, because if we come down to a lower time frame and we zoom out right here and we take a look at this, right, we potentially do have something like an inverse head and shoulder pattern right here, right? Now, of course, you could say that we've already had the breakout and fake out of this head and shoulder pattern, but what if we do something like this, right? What if we come down and retest the neckline and then get a move up to this area, which honestly is, let's just take out our trend line right here. You know, the breakout of this head and shoulder is literally that target. So we do have technical targets to the upside. We have technical targets to the downside. And so, you know, there is a lot that we can do here. And there's a lot that we can plan for, I suppose. There's a lot that we can plan for. And so in the meantime, if we're not in a position, we just have to chill out and wait for something to happen, right? Wait for something to happen. So Ken says, what if I don't market Cipher? Okay, yeah, we already read that. Bet you there's a ton of comments here telling me to take the comment off the chat. Yeah, for sure. Shout out to Pim Poles, man. Pim Poles. Shout out to Heisenberg, who says the golden pocket on the Bitcoin USD is vastly different than the USDT pair. That's true. In fact, let's actually take a look at that now, because because I do think that it is very significant, at least to me, that when we look at the USD pair and we look at what happened down here, where we put in this low, when we go to the Bitcoin USDT pair for ByBit, we can see that it's not as drastic of a low. In fact, it's more of like a range that we've been trading in this entire area. And so because of this, I do think potentially, we can expect, let's just say, that the range will continue because it's not as drastic. Look at this Bitcoin. It's very, very wicky, very poignant on the USDT pair. Not so much, right? Not so much. So shout out to whoever gave me a thumbs down. I do pray that the Lord would bless you in Jesus' name. Shout out to Sandra Smith. Sorry, Sandra Smith. I know, I'm just in a weird mind space right now. I forget to take them off. Shout out to Big Rona. Appreciate you. You know what? Yeah, I should probably move the comments to up in the top of the screen in case I need to, in case I forget again. So shout out to Beatrice. Shout out to Fiber Splice God. Shout out to Pasternak88. Thank you guys so much for being here. So yeah, I do think, guys, that we could potentially get another move down, and what I am looking for is potentially, as I was saying, the target of this bear flag, which is probably going to be around one of these fib levels here. It's going to be around one of these fib levels. Of course, guys, we could pump up from here, right? Absolutely, we could pump. I wasn't a long from here. The long setup that I did, I gave last night, and that's been stopped out at the entry, right? That's been stopped out at the entry after a TP1. After a TP1, stopped out at the entry. What are you going to do, right? What are you going to do? But, yeah, I would say that I would expect this to come down a little bit more. Let's take a look at the 1 hour, we're getting floppy butt cheeks. The 12-minute, I would at least want to come down below this 382 here. And then, because we could still get bullish divergence. Let's check out the 1 minute. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's see what's going on the order flow chart right here. We might come up from here, guys. We really might, because we did see some absorption of shorts coming down into here, ever so slightly, and we have yet to put in a lower low, right? We have yet to put in a lower low. But I would say that most of the trades that opened up in this area have now closed out. Most of the trades opening up in that area have now been closed out. So yeah, I would personally prefer to wait for a little bit lower. I'm just going to hold the short. I'm just going to hold the short, guys. You can't go wrong with, and I'm not a baller out here, guys, right? I'm not trading with multi-million-dollar positions. I trade with high leverage. I trade with small positions. And my mentality is, if I can make 1,000, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15,000 a trade, I'll take it. I don't have to be out there making hundreds of thousands. But yeah, let's see here. A profile says, look at the candle patterns. Can I make a video configuring Exocharts? If anyone's interested in learning Exocharts, you can check out the course that Boyan and myself put together. There is a preview that you can watch for free here, but the course goes into extreme detail. There's a 15% discount if you use the coupon code JUICY, and basically we're constantly uploading new content of live trading. We are constantly uploading new sessions to this, and it's an ever-growing thing. All the templates and everything, configurations, is available in there. I do not have time in the scope of this live stream to go over that, but it's nothing too crazy. It's just your typical order flow chart, and I just changed the colors to purple and blue because purple and blue is the way to go for sure. It's the way to go for sure. Let's check out something else right here. just looking, guys. I'm just taking a look here. I'm just taking a look. Yeah, we got a little bit of a bounce right here. I thought maybe we were gonna get more of a move up to the VWAP, but we didn't quite make it to the VWAP. And now we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens here. What happens here? What happens here? What happens here? All right. See, what I'm doing is I'm just making sure that if we pump from here, I'm guaranteed a $3,000 profit for well, yeah, I guess for the day. It's been about 12 hours since I entered this trade, I think. Maybe a little bit more than that. And so you can't go wrong with that, guys. You really cannot go wrong with that. So we're dumping on down. We're dumping on down. And what we want to see as we're coming down is we want to start to see, especially on the 12-minute time frame, we do want to see those divergences start to form. And oh yeah, by the way, guys, make sure to like the video, because if we can get 1,250 likes during the stream, we will absolutely be giving away 0.025 Bitcoin. We got about 400 viewers, only 200 likes, guys. I mean, that really does a number to your boy's self-esteem. I mean, after all, remember the bullishness of the Jason Casper like button. Massive uptrend. In fact, this is definitely, we will never see prices again of this low. In fact, I'm pretty sure the Jason Casper like button is going to $98,000 by November 2021, right? By November 2021. So I'm telling you guys, don't miss out on your opportunity. Shout out to Barry. What's going on, Barry? Shout out to Houston, who says the Exo course is money well spent. Shout out to Memory Man. Shout out to Memory Man, a great musician. Thank you for being here, Memory Man. Oh, a face cam. We want the face cam going on. All right, yeah, let's do it, guys. Let's do the face cam. Here we are, guys. Jason Casper down here, Pikachu hat, upside down glasses, which reminds me, guys, remember, this is not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor, because you should never take financial advice from a guy in his unfinished basement with a Pikachu hat and upside down glasses, because, well, obviously, I'm just a burnout in life. I don't know anything. I'm absolutely stupid, and you should never, ever mistake anything that I say for financial advice, right? Absolutely not. So, I'm going to make myself real small in the corner here. Do I post my entry prices in my exclusive Discord? Asked Justin. Here's what we do in the exclusive Discord, in the VIP Discord. What we do is we post the levels we're looking for, and we post the entry that we're looking for, and then we post the confirmations, right? This is what I do. Everyone does something a little bit different in here. We all have different styles of trading. We have many traders in here. It's not just me. It's not just the Jason Casper show, right? We got good traders in here like K-Pax. We got good traders in here like White Phoenix. We have good traders in here like Afternoon Delight and Boyan and a whole bunch of people in here posting technical analysis and stuff. It's not like, very rarely do I ever say, I'm short right now or I'm long right now. And there's a few reasons for that. Number one is because if I'm scalping on a very small time frame, I probably don't have time to say I'm long or I'm short right now before you get wrecked. Secondly, I don't know what leverage you're using. I don't know what position size you're using. I don't know those things. And copying other people's exact entries, you're probably going to miss a move. By the time I say I'm long or I'm short, you're probably going to miss a move. So what we do instead is we give you the bowl, and we put the bowl down in front of you. And then what we do is we take the cereal, okay, and we pour it into the bowl, okay. And then we take the milk and we pour the milk on top of the cereal. And we take the spoon and we put that spoon in your hand. And we take your mouth and we go like this. Okay? But you're the one that has to take your spoon and dip it into the bowl and put it into your mouth. Okay? That's the way it works around here. Because I used to say, oh, I'm long, I'm short. and it just doesn't work. But the Discord's about education, guys. It's about education. I'll tell you, you will get a good education in here, in this Discord. So, wow, we have 420 viewers. That's cool. Shout out to Daniel from Norway. Thanks for being here, man. Shout out to Ethan Hogan, who just got the Exo course. And shout out to A Profile, who forgot to hit the like button. That is okay, guys. Appreciate everyone hitting the like button. My interview with K-Pax, yeah, it happened a long time ago, guys. Check out the interview we did with K-Pax. I did with K-Pax, because it is a good interview. The dude is a very good trader as well. He really is a very good trader. Let's check out what's happening here on the 1 minute time frame. Slight bullish divs, actually, guys, on the 1 minute here. We do have some slight bullish divs on the 1 minute. Let's see what else that we got going on. Anything juicy? Let's see. Is there anything juicy here, guys? Is there anything juicy? I'm looking for the juice. You know, I don't see anything too juicy, guys. I'm not saying we can't pump from here, because obviously anything's possible. But I would myself personally would prefer coming lower. I think we could take these lows right here. I don't think I could be wrong, right? Obviously I could be wrong, right? Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. But I think we could take out these lows and come a little bit lower. It would be pretty nice if I could get a juicier profit on this trade right here. It would be kind of nice for that. So, yeah, let's see. We have to watch carefully, though. We have to watch carefully, because we do see bullish divergences are forming, right? These are not uneven butt cheeks. These are uneven pig nipples. Let's actually Google a picture of pig nipples. I hope nothing bad comes up here. I hope nothing bad comes up. Yes. Yes, this is what I was looking for, guys. This exact thing is what we have going on in the 1 minute time frame, right? As the price is getting lower, the pig nipples are getting higher, and we can see that happening right here, right? We've clearly got the pig nipples going on, right? Lots of pig milk coming out of those teats. And all right, it's go time, baby. It's go time. You know, it's go time. So once we start coming below this low down here at 29,220, then we have the potential to get 12-minute bull divs. We've got some 1 minute bull divs going. We've got some 3 minute bull divs going. Interesting. We've got that. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's see what we got going on over here. Anything interesting over here? A lot of trades just closing out, guys. A lot of trades just closing out. This is I think we can come lower. Let's see if we can milk. Let's see if we can milk this thing for a little bit more, right? You see the pig teats forming on the 1 minute, and you know we're gonna bottom out at some point with the pig teats, right? Especially with this, right? Challah bread made out of. This is definitely not kosher. This is not kosher challah bread, guys. I'll tell you that much. And this is definitely not kosher either, right here. And I don't think this is kosher either, man. I have to be honest. And, you know, now that we're on Google Images, well, let's just see what else we got here. Oh, nice. A pig pacifier for your baby. Nice. Ooh, wow. A pump right here, baby. A pump, baby. Where we get? Where it is. Anything interesting? You know, it's not anything that would make me want to enter a trade, guys. I have to be honest. It's not anything that would make me want to enter a trade. We have the pig teats. I'm not going to lie and say that the pig teats are a bearish thing. Pig teats are definitely bullish. Bullish on the pig teats. So Kyle, this is a good question, Kyle. Kyle, my friend Kyle, is struggling with stop losses. Keeps getting wicked out, but I'm also trying to keep it no more than 1%. So what you have to do is just use higher leverage. And, well, this is not financial advice. You know, let's see. I use high leverage, and I don't actually use a stop loss, man. I don't use a stop loss. I just I put the stop loss as low as possible. I put it as low as possible. because that gives me much more than a 1% room. Let's say you're using 50x leverage. 50x leverage, price has to move 2% before you get liquidated. That gives you a pretty good play area. 25%, 25x leverage, you know, you have to 4%. You have a 4% play room. If you have 25x leverage, and you're putting 1% on your trade, it's as if you're putting 25% of your whole account on the trade, and you have a 4% play room where you're losing 1%, right? If you don't understand that, check out the course. Honestly, it goes into that. So shout out to Memory Man. Who says pig tastes like human? Yeah, I don't eat pig, Memory Man. I do not eat pig. I do not eat pig because I believe that the scriptures say not to eat pig, and so, you know, I believe God created people, and I believe that if He says it's bad to eat pig, well, I probably shouldn't do that. You know, what a crazy thing to do what God said to do. I know it's crazy. Trendline incoming. Trendline incoming. Decker says trendline incoming. What is this trendline, my friend? What trendline? Is it this? Is it this little channel that we got going on? This thing here? We're going to break that? We might. We very well might. I mean, we got the pig teeth. 3-minute bullish divergence. 6-minute bullish divergence on the 6-minute, huh? Interesting, guys. 6-minute bullish div. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh, man. I don't know. I don't know what to think about this, guys. I don't know what to think about this. But just as a quick reminder, everyone, this video is brought to you by Carl from the Moon taking Jason Casper to McDonald's in a Maserati.
Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal.
Coming to theaters near you. So, Bullish on Parade says we're going down, bruh. Well, if we do go down, bruh, then, you know, that's fine with me. Because I'm short, bruh, so that's cool. But, you know, because I'm short and because we've been dumping for a while, your boy Jason Casper is looking for longs. Looking for longs, because that's what I do. When we're dumping, you betcha I'm looking for a long. If we're pumping, you betcha I'm looking for a short, man. That's why yesterday I was looking primarily for shorts from this area right here, you know, because that's the way to do it, right? To the opposite of FOMO is what, fear of missing out. What's the opposite of FOMO? Fear of missing out. Fear of. Well, honestly, I guess FOMO works both ways, right? If you're trying to buy low and sell high, you can fear that you're going to miss the low and buy at the wrong low. I don't know. How are the turnips? They're good. They're good. They're good. So, yeah, that's what I said, Crypto Anon. It's Carl from the Moon has a Maserati. That's what I said. Not a Bugatti. Yeah, fear of getting wrecked. I guess that's a good one. Louis Morales. That's a good one. So, shout out to Memory Man. Shout out to Richard Carrington. So, my good friend in here, John Cottenham, is struggling with losses, not stop losses. What's your strategy, bro? Are you sticking to a specific strategy? Because one of the things that has helped me the most is sticking to a specific strategy. In fact, I would even recommend for beginners, and I'm going to post a video about it, is sticking to a simple strategy. Like, for example, just the 12-minute. The 12-minute strategy is a pretty juicy one, in my opinion. where you're looking for 12-minute divergences and money flow. 12-minute divergences and money flow happening, and that's going to get you into a good trade every single time. Not every single time, but look at this. Right, Saturday. I wasn't trading Saturday. It is the Sabbath day. We come down to here. We come up to here. Bullish divergence, money flow coming up. Look at that beautiful, beautiful long trade that we get right there, right? Look at that beautiful, beautiful long trade. And then yesterday, look at this. Higher high on the 12-minute, money flow and momentum coming down right here. Look at that, a beautiful, beautiful short trade. And I'm pretty confident that any time that happens, you can get yourself into a good position, right? Let's see. What do you know? Right down here at the exact bottom, 12-minute, money flow and momentum getting higher at the exact bottom. So let's just backtest this for a little bit, right? Then we also had a higher high right here, 12-minute, momentum, money flow. So literally every time this has happened since the low, we got a trade, right? We got our long, very juicy. Our short, very juicy. Our long, very juicy. Our short, very juicy. 4 trades since the 12th of May. So that's 4 days. That's a trade a day. And the crappiest trade that we've had so far is the one we're in right now, which is a horrendous 6%. So, you know, just stick to those types of trades. If anybody's having struggles with stop loss, just simple it down a little bit, right? You know, it's easy when everyone's scalping and you're in Discord groups and people are on the TR chart trying to scalp these tiny little $3 moves. It's easy to get that feeling like you need to always be in a trade. But I don't even take trades every day, guys. Unless I'm like dedicating a day to scalping, I don't even take trades every day. I don't. I probably take maybe like 5 a week on average, probably, and then I hold them, right? I hodl my trades. Like, you know, I took 2 trades yesterday, and now I'm just hodling them. You know, I'm just hodling these trades, hoping to eke out a little bit more profete from it. That's how we say profit in my home country of Casperlandia. You know, so that's non-financial advice, I would say. 8-hour blood diamond closes in 50 minutes. Huh, interesting. 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 Patience is the key to success. That is so true, Fiber Splice God. What do I think? Oh, well, this is a question not for necessarily, not for this stream, Oceananigans. This is a question not for this stream, I guess, because this is not a biblical stream. But to sum it up, I would say that to make it quick, I would say that I don't think Acts 10 is about food. I think it's about Gentiles being now allowed into the people of God. And I also don't think Romans 14 is speaking about the things that are mentioned in Leviticus 11 and Deuteronomy 14. Because if we look at the Greek word that's used there for unclean, it's not the same Greek word that's used in the Septuagint to describe the foods that are not supposed to be eaten. Now, I know this is a point of contention, and this is not a religious stream. But that is my opinion on it, if you want to know that. And even if, you know, no hate, no judgment, no hate, no judgment. But I would say this. I would say these 2 things. First of all, if we read the passages in the Torah that talk about dietary laws, the purpose of the dietary laws is to set God's people apart. So it is an issue of sanctification. And additionally, I would also say that you know, if in my opinion, like regardless of all these little nitpicky things about exegesis and scripture of that, you know, if God made humans and he said to them, you know what, you guys are my special people, and I don't want you to eat these certain things, then I would think to myself, it would just behoove me not to eat those certain things. Like, even if it's not a spiritual thing, at least on a physical level, I wouldn't want to eat those things. You know what I'm saying? So that's my view on it. Sorry for everyone who doesn't care about this. Um, but yeah. So here we are, struggling to do anything really. We're just consolidating here. And we're getting a little move to the upside. Very slight. Let's check out our 12-minute time frame is getting a green dot. Definitely not a divergence, but it could be a trigger wave. Let's check out the 1 minute. The pig teats, guys. You know, don't mess with the pig teats, right? The pig teats. Definitely playing out here. And it's hard to say what's going to happen, right? Shout out to Irish Dutchman from Potato Land. Oh, man, I love growing potatoes, guys. One of my favorite things to do is actually grow potatoes. Where can you see live scalping with Exocharts? Become a VIP, and we do it every Wednesday. Yeah, 40x leverage has been my go-to during these times. You know, just a warning to everybody, as the price of Bitcoin gets lower, smaller moves are bigger percentages. So I was using like 70x as my go-to, and I do have to say that 70x is not a good go-to leverage anymore, because it does not give you enough playing room, right? It does not give you enough playing room. So shout out to Sexy Carl. Shout out to Sexy Carl, and shout out to whoever did just give me a thumbs down. I pray that the Lord bless you. And for some reason, I'm having trouble keeping my screen on when I view the chat here. So Sexy Carl is going to the moon. Oh, okay, you're a VIP. So every Wednesday, then every single Wednesday we do that, and sometimes even more, right? Like sometimes even more often we'll do it. Like this morning, I was looking for a scalp in the VIP live stream, didn't really get one. So sometimes we get them, sometimes we don't, guys. You know, sometimes we get them, sometimes we don't. It's Do I know that Spanish girl, Six Juanita? She's friends with 382ya. I think I went to high school with Six Juanita. She was a pretty nice looking girl, right? I don't think that I actually did try and ask her out. This is actually a picture of 382ya right here. And yeah, 382ya, gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. But you know, I have to say, whenever I see this face, I get a sinking feeling in the pit of my stomach. But I think Six Juanita was also good old Six Juanita. In fact, you know, Six Juanita. Speaking of Six Juanita, actually, you know what? Six Juanita did reject me. Six Juanita did reject me. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, Six Juanita. She rejected me pretty badly. Actually, I think when was that? That was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Yeah, look at this, guys. So yesterday, the price came right up to that zone where 618 Six Juanita hangs out, and yeah, she did actually reject me yesterday. She actually did reject me yesterday. So, let's see what happens here, guys. Is my short going to continue on in profit? Is my next TP going to get hit down here at 28,568? What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know in the comments down below. Oh, shout out to iBinge Crypto, who sees what's going on here. Shout out to Kryptonon. Shout out to A Profile. And man, I have a weird issue with my stream not working when I look at the comments now. So the difference between USD and USDT, they're just two different markets, man. And to be honest with you, like I pretty much chart everything on USD, and sometimes I look at USDT, but I trade USDT. Like I trade USDT, and you know, this right here is the well, this is PHEMEX, but over here on my my USD trade, which by the way has been in drawdown this entire stream, the stop loss under these lows, and I don't know if it's gonna continue up or not, but this is still the trade from yesterday. This is still the long trade from yesterday. And the reason why I have the stop loss down here is because I can still take that much of a loss and still be in a profit. But I just, because we have these because we have this market structure here, yeah, but anyway, that's besides the point. That's besides the point. I think we'll probably dump. Honestly, I think we'll probably dump. I think we'll probably dump. So don't, I'm not telling anyone to long. I think we'll probably dump. But yeah, I trade USDT and I look at the USD chart. Yeah, these 1 minute candles are choppy during New York Open. No shenanigans for sure. For sure. 12-minute bull div, kind of. I say trigger wave, maybe. And money flow coming up. I mean, really, for me, the reason why I have my stop loss under these lows is because I feel that this would maintain bullish market structure from the initial low that we put in here. So, you know, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But all things considered, the part of the way I do risk management is I will put my stop loss in a loss if I'm still guaranteed a win, especially if my short can cover the losses. So, you know, if my long gets stopped out in a loss, that account will still be in profit for the trade, and my short will be able to cover the loss from the long and then some. So I'm still in profit overall. It's called schlonging, and it puts me in a comfortable position. And I'm not eking out as much profit as humanly possible. But what I'm doing is I'm putting myself in a position where FOMO is much less, honestly. FOMO is so much less. And also, you're still profitable over time. And I just trade better that way. It's not for everybody. Some people are really good at getting in and getting out. I'm not. So I get in, lock in at least a win, and then I guess technically gamble it, but I don't gamble it because I have very clear parameters of where my invalidations are and all that stuff. So I would have to say though, I lean more bearish than bullish at this exact moment. And by the way, shout out to India, because if you use an Indian VPN, you see the most hilarious YouTube ads, the creativity that I've seen on these Indian ads, man. It's the funniest thing in the world. I wish American ads were like that, but they're not. I can't stop laughing. I like send them to my wife. I'm like, gotta see this. There's this one. Oh man, I forget what it was for. Man, hilarious, absolutely hilarious. Oh, right. Absolutely hilarious. Is FTM in a bearish pennant? I am not sure. Honestly, I haven't really looked at it. Do I think that the 4-hour candle will touch 3,500 in a quick slam down? It's very, very possible, Royal Fresh. It is very possible. Anything's possible. So, crap. What is going on? Hang on, guys. Give me un segundo over here. I just gotta text this guy back. I've been trying to get in touch with him for so long. Yeah, I've been trying to get in touch with this guy for so long. Man. Alright. Alright. We're back in action, guys. We're back in action. We got a bullish div on the 30-minute forming. Oh, Dread Mining. I would love to collab with Mango Research. How do I do that? How do I hit up Mango Research? I love Mango Research. Super chill swing traders. In fact, I need to learn their ways. I need to start itching my muku. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, they itch it real good, and it works, man. Blues is bullish for the day. Well, you know what? Let's see what happens from this, man. We do have a nice trigger wave forming on the 30-minute time frame. Let's see what happens. You know, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see. You know, the Rocky music will definitely pump the price. But here's the thing about the Rocky music, guys. My channel has so many copyright warnings that it's affecting my analytics. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Who's Sean? Sean actually wants to... Are you talking about Sean from Mango Research actually wants to collab? How do you know, Dread Mining? How do you know? How do you know? I probably will never visit India, Gova OP, and the reason is because, yeah, he does some really good TA. Shout out to Mango Research, by the way. They're really good traders, and here, let's check them out right now. If you're not subscribed, go subscribe to Mango Research. Go subscribe to them. And check them out. They have some really good content. They have some really good content. Sean, I think, I forget her name. Trisha. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know names. I'm not good with names. But check them out. They have some really good content. They're like swing traders. Trade on super high time frames. Super chill. Pretty much the opposite of your boy Jason Casper. Right? Jason Casper's out here riding a tractor. Trying to get a nice scalp. And they're out here just living in the Bahamas or something like that without the stress, right? That's their whole thing. Trade the stress-free way. You know what I'm saying? Look at their faces. Definitely no stress. Definitely no stress, as opposed to, you know, your boy over here, Jason Casper, who clearly is stressed. All right? Clearly, I'm stressed. So, yeah. Check them out. Check them out. Yeah, I don't know if I'm bullish or bearish for the day, guys. That's why I'm schlong. That's honestly why I'm schlong. You know, I've got the long and the short open from the Discord. Got the short open from here. I mean, this is pretty epic yesterday, right? It's not every day that you get two trades like that. Give the short setup, take the short setup, lock in the profits. Give the long setup, lock in the profits. Doesn't happen every dang day, guys. But, you know, when it happens, it's nice. It's nice, I'll tell you. So, if Mango Research ever wants to collab, I'm totally down. Oh, he said it on a stream. They even know who I am? They know who I am? That's crazy. Well, if they know who I am, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Shout out to Daniel Prinsloo. Daniel Prinsloo, I'm going to hit you up, bro. I'm going to hit you up. I saw that you hit me up. I'm going to hit you up. Do I have advice for building a 3-figure account? I guess the same thing that I would tell anyone, which is just focus on your strategy and your risk management, and over time it'll happen. What time of day do I find I get my best trades? Oh man, it varies so much. It varies so much. On the weekend, it's always a wild card. On weekdays, I'd say probably like an hour or so after New York Open, or sometimes like around dinner time. It always happens where I get into a trade, um, like right around dinner time, right when I'm supposed to be hanging out with the family. I text my wife, "Hey, Big Butts 28. I just got into a trade. Like I just want to wait until like I lock in some profit here so that I can like actually sit down and eat dinner with you instead of thinking about my trade the whole time." Because although you set your stop loss, set it and forget it, which I do, it's hard not to check when you haven't locked in profit, right? That 0.5% move, you're like, man, I just want to hit this TP so that I can relax for the day and call it a day. The day doesn't feel done if you haven't locked in profit on your trade. Let's put it that way. Let's put it that way. Crypto Rob, bro. You had Indian food last night. Now you have the burning sprays. Interesting. Shout out to Crypto Lifer, man. Crypto Lifer, he is a good trader. Crypto Lifer, like he makes some really good calls. He doesn't do TA the same way I do, but he makes some really good calls. I've been following him. So. Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, yeah. Shout out to Mango Research. Prince's son. He does kind of look like Prince a little bit. Yeah, you're right. You're right. What percent of the trade do I close at a 0.5% move? So I've been doing this lately. Okay. Um, I've been doing 2% on the account of whatever I'm willing to risk, basically, and then 50% at TP1, and then let the rest ride. So, shout out to the Honorable Mikey. I do not season cast iron with lard. I don't eat lard, but tallow, and shout out to A Profile who also trades and drives. I mean, it's a dangerous thing to trade and drive, guys. It's a dangerous thing, especially when you got the kids in the back, But you got to do what you got to do. I mean, if you see that price is bouncing off the golden pocket and rejecting off key resistance, are you going to spend the time to pull over into a safe place and focus on your trading, or are you just going to try and multitask? Obviously, multitask. Why would you want to waste the time? If you don't get into the trade right now, there's never going to be another trade ever again to enter into. So, you know. Where's the K-Pax video? Jake Wise. The K-Pax video. What we have to do is we have to go to a website called youtube.com. And we have to go back in time quite far. I should have K-Pax back on the channel, actually. I should have K-Pax back on the channel. Go to videos. Make sure to subscribe to Jason Casper, by the way. And let's see, we got to go way back in time. It's pretty far back. It's pretty far back. I should have him back on. I'll post it in the chat for you guys. Huh. I guess it's kind of far back. So, let's see here. I might never find it, honestly, guys. Oh man, this is classic.
All right, y'all, I'm just out here trading on the old farm.
Yeah, classic.
All right,
classic.
y'all, I'm just out here trading on the old farm.
There's some classic Jason Casper shorts in here. I should do shorts again, guys, honestly. You know what? I can't find the KPAX. You know what? Can I search it? Hang on. Interview with KPAX. Let's type in KPAX 55 Jason. No, I'll never find it, guys. No, I'm crushed. The algorithms have crushed Jason Casper. Totally crushed. Cryptos R Us is before me with the KPAX. Aha! No. This is previously watched. Dang it. Well, you know what? I don't know if I can find that KPAX video, but I definitely have it. It's definitely on the channel. For sure. It has to be, right? It has to be. Man. This was 6 months ago.
All right, y'all, you want to know how to get into a good long scalp trade? Well, here you go.
Now, when that price is coming on down, you see them uneven butt cheeks coming on up, you know the chickens are getting thirsty, ain't that right? Then you gotta say, here, wiki, wiki, and let it wick down to your level with the nice uneven butt cheeks, and them chickens start drinking.
Okay. No, it must have been before all this, right? It's so hard to piece together the timeline of my channel, guys. It's tough. It's somewhere in here, right? I guarantee that the interview with KPAX is somewhere in here. This is a classic picture right here of me and Carl at the county fair, and this picture has been lost, but now I have the opportunity to recover it with a screenshot. So this is the time when me and Carl were at the county fair in Dubai, and I was trying out new tractors. This is actually when we met. And Carl was there, and there was a big black pole in between us. People say, oh, you just copy and pasted two pictures together. Pfft, no. There was a black pole in between us. We were underneath the same pavilion, you can see. And he knew it was me because I had the laptop and the Bible and the Market Cipher neck tattoo and the Bitcoin arm tattoo and, you know, the glasses, obviously, and on the tractor. And I knew it was him because, well, people don't know this about Carl, but he actually does walk around. He walks around like this. And so I saw him like that, and I knew it was him, and he knew it was me, and we connected. And that's actually how we ended up getting together and hanging out and going to McDonald's that one time.
Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal.
Yeah, I should post more TikTok videos and all this, but you know, TikTok banned me. They banned me for posting price action. Isn't that crazy? So we have a 12-minute red dot right now, and we're absolutely dumping down, guys. We're absolutely dumping. So let's see what's going on here. We're dumping. Yeah, we're dumping, guys. We're absolutely dumping. So we're about to take out this low. Let's check out the USDT pair. Doesn't look so hot for your boy Jason Casper right here as far as the long trade goes. Doesn't look too hot. Whoop, just stopped out. Just stopped out. Dang it. So now, this might actually be the bounce, right? But nah, I don't know. Let's check it out. Nah, people closing out their trades. I'm just going to honestly hold on to this short for now, guys. You know, I'm technically up about 4,500 bucks. Man, I don't know. Let's check out the 1 minute. Not really getting a bullish div. Let's check out the 6 minute. Bullish div on the 6 minute. Potential bullish div on the 12 minute now. Oh, wait, no, not yet until we take out that low. Let's check out order flow again. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm not really looking to take a long, guys. I just took a big hit. I didn't take a big hit, but I think I ended up now being stopped out of that other trade with like a few $100 profit instead of 1,000 something. So we do have a lot of shorts coming in right now, and look at that glitchiness going on there. We got a lot of we do have a lot of shorts coming in right now, and we do have some absorption of them as well here. Look at all these shorts. Look at all those shorts coming in, guys. Look at them all. Look at them all. Yeah, I don't know. I would really like to see us come down to the that next major area down in this this low right here. Yeah. Let's see something. We have a lot of shorts opening here, and they could get squeezed out real quick. This could be a quick squeeze right here. Because look at all the longs that closed their trades right here, and look at all the shorts that opened up. A lot of shorts opening up right here, right? This is the 1 minute chart, so in a few minutes, in fact, in this candle right here, we had 7 million shorts open. Well, I shouldn't say that, but we did have more shorts open than longs. So we might get a little squeeze up. We might get a little squeeze up in here. We might get a little squeeze. But I think that the squeeze will end up coming lower. If I was a betting man. But we do have nice. Look at this 3 minute action going on here. And technically, this is a chickens drinking water right here from that low, technically. So let's see what happens. Put in another lower high. In fact, I'd be curious actually to see a few things. I'd be curious to see, are we consistently rejecting off a specific fib level? No, we're not really. We're not really. Maybe around that golden pocket. I don't know. But did I get the long and short indicators with Exocharts? What are you talking about? There are no long and short indicators in Exocharts. You just have to know how to read it. Do I enter a position with high leverage? Yeah, I do. I like to use high leverage, Alexander. Yep, I like to use high leverage, man. I find that high leverage is the way to go when it comes to my own personal trading style and risk management. That's just me, right? That's just me. Everyone's different. Everyone is different. Shout out to Jerome Washington who says, man, what the heck is going on with my chat here? Jason Casper, mind if I squeeze you sexy beast? Bitcoin gun up. I just decad Luna at 80 cents. My name is George too, and I like to party with Carl the Moon too. Heart. Well, thank you, Jerome, for being here, man. I appreciate you for sure, bro. Appreciate you for sure. Yeah, thanks for the kind words, man. Thanks for the kind words. So BL Prod says this is not good. Shout out to A258 Sabi and Cat from India. Shout out to you. And did we just retest the neckline of an H&S? Let's check something else out here. Do we have anything here? Any signs of anything good? Yeah, actually, some slight potential. It's so hard to say, honestly. Yeah, honestly, I would say this doesn't look actually. This looks like we potentially could actually squeeze up a little bit here, honestly. Yeah, because look at the people that shorted this. And yet it looks like there's some absorption going on. I would have to say it does look like there's some absorption going on here. Just a little. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. We'll know for certain if we put in a lower low that it's not the case. Oh, not the case. Definitely not the case. Yeah, not the case. One minute butt cheek. Let's check out the 3 minute. 3 minute technical butt cheeks. We have technical cheeks on the 3 minute. Let's check out the 12 minute now. Money flow looks good on the 12 minute. If we would just take out this low. But yeah, I still got my eyes set down yonder, guys. I still got them set down yonder. So it's a full moon, so Lunar's gonna pump. Interesting. I hope Jerome doesn't come to my house and peek in my windows. Jerome, I hope you don't come to my house and peek in my windows, bruh. That would not be cool, man. That would not be cool. Not at all. Not at all. So. Oh, man. Do we have the 24-minute cheeks? Not really. How's the 1 hour looking here? It's not looking too hot. It's not looking too hot. But the 6 minute though, the 6 minute has the pig teats going on. The 6 minute, you know, I really think, you know, that my honest to goodness thoughts are, I mean, numero uno would be the oh wow, look at that, we're right at the trace. We're right at the trace Ocho 2. Interesting, guys. I didn't know that. So yeah, then let's do this here. Yeah, that's interesting. So we came down, we bounced right off the 786. Yeah, I remember that. And we bounced off this golden pocket. So we're actually technically we could just put in a higher low here at the golden pocket. I'm just rambling, guys. I'm rambling out loud right here. So please pay no mind to the rambler. But we can, well, can we say that? Nah. Wow. Longs pouring in right now. Longs pouring in. And shorts pouring out. So they're not even trapped, right? They just closed their positions. They're like, nah, we good. We ain't shorting this. People don't know what to do. People don't know whether to long. People don't know whether to short. No one knows what's going on, man. No one knows what's going on. But this could be a giant W pattern right here, right? This could be a giant W right here. Zoop, 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 zoop. With the higher low, right? Potential, potential, potential. Let's see if we can get a pump here, guys. We might have to pull out the Rocky music for this one. We really might have to. We might have to pull out the Rocky music. Let's pop into the chat real quick. Let's pop into the chat. Man, why does my screen keep going black? Do I ever add to my position if I've taken most of my profits out? Yeah, I do sometimes, ARC TV Studios. I add to the position sometimes. Absolutely, I do. So right now, if this is going to be a legitimate bottom right here, if these 6-minute bull divs are going to play out, right, we need to come above this high. We need to come above this high and put in a higher high. If not, we have no official change of market structure. And what we can do is, if this is actually going to be low, we could even, let's say that we, you know, I would like to see if this is going to be a legitimate bounce, are we going to now hold the golden pocket, right? That's how you can know. If you're looking for a long entry, and let's say you're not good at catching knives, you could wait, and every time, if we hold the golden pocket, you could say, okay, this is the first time we've put in a higher low, right? Now, it doesn't always work out perfect, but obviously you have to look at other things combined, other indicators on the Chisnarts and things of that nature. So, what's this? What's going on right now? I'm getting an alert, guys. What's the alert? Someone tell me. What's the alert? What just happened? What just happened here? I'm sure you guys heard the alert as well. What just happened? What? What? Tell me what? Tell me what? Rocky will crash it. Yeah, maybe. Is that true that Jeff Berwick made over $1 million buying Luna? I should have bought Luna because I was telling my friend, yeah, you should totally get Luna. And I looked at Luna and I'm like, yeah, I should totally get Luna, and I forgot. And I woke up and it went up like 500%. But you know, it is what it is. I'd rather eke out a 1% move on Bitcoin than make $1 million. You know, enjoy the struggle. So Bill Prods thinks we're going to 29,100. Yeah, that wouldn't surprise me, right? To take out the low, take out that last low. That wouldn't surprise me at all. Not at all. Speaking of British accents, I need to get Luke from Taurus Crypto back on here. Yeah, I gotta get Luke from Taurus Crypto back on here. He's the man. He'll tell me what to do, long or short. I ask him all the time, hey, yo, Luke, man. What do you say, long or short? He'll tell me what to do. Thanks, Luke from Tauros. Oh man, is that true, Richard? ByBit closed the trade you had on Luna? That's messed up. Shout out to Houston, who says, take the Jason Casper trading course if you want to learn how to catch knives. Yeah, if you want to learn, yeah, I guess so. Check out, there's a 25% discount on the course, guys. And also, if you want to learn order flow, check out the course that I did with Boyan. Always adding new content to it, guys. If you use the coupon code JUICY, you'll get a 15% discount. You can watch the preview for free. There's a link in the description or in the pinned comment of all my other videos. Also, if you want to join the community where we do post the juicy trade setups in advance to short from the high and long from the low, not always, guys, but sometimes, go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Man, look at this pump, though, guys. Honestly, look at this pump. Can you even believe this? Can you believe it? This is massive, guys. Massive. A massive pump. In fact, I will just bet, if we go down to the 1 second time frame here and zoom out, sheesh, look at this massive uptrend that we're in. I'll bet you we had massive uneven butt cheeks on the one. So, uh-oh, we're starting to dump, huh? I'll bet you we had massive uneven butt cheeks on the 1 second. Let's go down to the bottom. Look at this. No, actually we did. We didn't even get uneven cheeks. 1 second uneven cheeks. All right, we got to refresh this screen. Ooh. Bearish divs? Nope. Bullish divs. What's going on the 1 second, guys? Can you imagine? Doesn't CryptoFace scalp the 1 second? How does that happen, bro? I can't do that. It's too much for me. Look at that wick. Look at these gaps and wicks. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, sheesh. This is crazy, guys. This is just wild. Wild PA. But look, we can see the bearish div starting to form on the 1 second time frame. Let's see if these things play out. 1 second time frame, market cipher B. Are they going to play out? I don't know. Like, of course, this is wild, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Short, still open, guys. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen now with the short. Might get wrecked. Shout out to Houston. Shout out to Sexy Carl. Was 1 second from jumping out of his long and FOMO short. Man, this is an interesting day, guys. An interesting day right here. An interesting day. Don't know what's gonna happen here, guys. I wish I could play the Rocky music for us. But it looks like we're gonna come down here. Look, I mean, honestly, market cipher B on the 1 second though, it does kind of make it look like we're gonna start coming down here, right? This is intense price action here. Let's just like pull a local fib and see like what's happening here. Bouncing off 382 coming up. Look at these gaps, guys. Look at these gaps. You know, these gaps kind of remind me a little bit of that time I got rejected. Because she did have a little bit of a gap right there, if you know what I'm saying. She had a little bit of a gap right there. Man, I wish I could play the Rocky music, guys. I really wish I could play this Rocky music. But I know it's not going to do what I want it to do. This is a little bit mean, bro. That's a little bit mean. Shout out to Lee Jam, who says Ermaga. And we have the pig teats. We have the pig nipples hang on, pig nipples. We have the pig nipples on the lower term time frames, right? We clearly saw, and these are bearish pig nipples as they get lower as time goes on. We want to see the bullish pig nipples as the price on the crashing, guys. We're absolutely dumping. But we can see if we go back to the 6-minute time frame here. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. 6-minute time frame, we did in fact get the bullish pig teats right here. We got the bullish pig teats. And yeah, who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen here? Hey, what's going on, Pops?
You live?
I am live.
Oh, hey.
What's going on, man?
How much is got out from the other farm?
The other farm?
Yeah.
Here, come over here, man.
Chickens.
Come over here. Hey, come over here. Say hi to the fine ladies and gentlemen. Guys, my Pops is here. What's going on? Say hi. Papa
Howdy,
Casper.
Howdy, y'all. How you doing?
See, you could tell that we're related because we got the same glasses on, you know?
Yeah, my hat's cooler than yours, though.
You think so? I don't
Oh, yeah.
know, man. I don't know.
So how the chickens doing today?
They're nice and thirsty.
Milkshake's okay?
He's good.
Good.
He's good. They're drinking. They're out there drinking. Is my breath bad?
No.
I haven't brushed my teeth in like 4 days because I didn't have a
Would you give me a
toothbrush.
kiss?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Love you, Pops.
Love you, too.
You got some, you need to shave?
I do. I need a shave.
Yeah. Yeah. We're just talking about the bullish pig teats
Oh.
over here.
Love those teats.
When the pig nipples, here, hang on. Our faces are blocking the pig nipples. But, see how the pig nipples, hang on. They come up like this. You see that? So that's what happened here with the price on Bitcoin as well. See, it
They
looks
look like teats. Yeah.
they look like pig teats, right?
They do.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying. So we got a nice little pump up from there, and we did put in a higher high, but maybe the chickens are drinking. I don't know, but I'll see you soon.
All right, son.
Yeah. All right, guys. I wish I could play the Rocky music on here, Pops.
Oh, yeah.
I keep getting copyright strikes.
For Rocky?
Yeah. Anytime I play copywritten music, I get the strike.
Can
Isn't
you
that messed
sing?
up? I could sing it, but it's not the same. Maybe we could sing it together.
Yeah.
Do you know it? How's it go?
The
Yeah.
theme from Rocky?
Yeah. How's it go?
Dun 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 dun
Dun, 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 dun.
dun 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 dun.
Dun, dun.
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah,
We should go on the road together.
we should. Yeah, we should. All right.
It's good harmony.
Thanks, man. I've been practicing. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna happen, guys. I mean, honestly, I don't know if this is gonna happen with the Rocky music. With me and my dad, didn't really work out too good. But we'll have to see what happens here, honestly. So let's pull out some fibs. Let's pull out a fib from the swing low to the swing high, and we could even look at this as one range now. Okay, we could actually look at this as a range. And we are at the point of control, guys, which, is the next area of resistance. Let's pull out now the fib from the high to the low. Uh-oh. 382 ya. 382 ya coming in right here. So if we can get above 382 ya, guys, my next target is going to be that 30K level. Come on, 382 ya. Don't let me down now, babe. Don't let me down now. I know that we're in the friend zone, but I think you can let me in just this once. You just met my dad. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! Come on. Come on. What's going on, Timber? What's going on? You want to say hi to the people?
No.
Okay. My brother's here, too. Wow. We're breaking out, guys. The Rocky music with me and my pops actually did work. It's the harmonies. Yeah, but look at this bearish divergence on the 1 minute. That might not work out so great, guys. It might not work out so great. All right. You know what we really need? I hate is there a way I can play the Rocky music a cover? Rocky music cover on guitar. Here we go. I think this will do it for us. Wait, no, we have to go to YouTube. You have to go to YouTube. Rocky music cover. Mm. All right, maybe this will have to do it. This will have to do it. Oh yeah, this is metal, guys. This is super metal. I don't think this will get me stricken. Oh. Oh man, this is heavy. This is hard, guys. Shout out to this guy. Everyone go follow this guy on YouTube. Oh, man. Oh yeah, baby. Here, oh. Let's go, baby. Come on, baby. I'm long, baby. Ooh, he's covering the guitar solo. I don't know, guys. Bearish dip on the 1 minute, but the music's just too good. It's just too good. Man, this guy's good. Ooh. Oh, shredding, man. Oh, man. Sheesh. Man, it's just too good. Oh, man, it's not working at all, guys. It's not working at all. Oof. I'm just watching money slip away from me. Come on, man. You need to shred a little bit harder for me. Oof. The shred. I can't take it. Ooh. What's going on, Big Butts 28? Shaking your butt? Nice. Man, this guy shreds hard, guys. This guy shreds so hard. But how's it working for the Bitcoin price? You know, how's that working for the price? I have to say, not so great. Honestly, I have to say, not so great, guys. You know, your boy Jason Casper with the longs today, catching the falling knives. Not so great. Not so great. You know, let's be honest. Not so great. Yeah, so let's see what happens here, guys. You know, I don't know. You know, I don't know. It looks like I might get stopped out of my entry again. You know? And then what? And then what can I say? And then I turned a $1,000 profit into probably a $100 profit by the time I get stopped out of my entry. You know? But that's okay, guys, because of the fact that the short is still open, right? The short can cover for me. The short, right? The short can cover for me for the day. For the day. That's what it's all about. What? We need to talk. Hang on. Okay, cool. Oh, man. All right, let's pop back. I hope that doesn't give me a copyright for that. Man, that guy was a shredder, wasn't he? Yeah, let's check this out. This actually, Crypto Rob, I think this will work. Rocky Violin. Let's try that one. That will pump the price. Man, that guy shredded hard, man. Alright, I'll take it, I'll take it. I'll take it, I'll take it. Let's see if we can get a golden pocket bounce. I don't know, guys. I don't think so. Ooh. Ah. Ooh, neoclassical. Well, I guess not neo, but regular classical. Man, what effect did that have on the long trade, guys? Not too much of a good one, I'll tell you that much. Not too much of a good one. Well, if we don't get our bounce here, guys, you know, I'm definitely gonna call it probably a day. We're gonna probably call it a day here, and yeah, I'll probably call it a day. But golden pockets, man, they don't lie. Golden pockets don't lie. In fact, isn't that a song? Golden pockets don't lie. Golden pockets don't lie. Here we go. Make sure to like the video, guys. You're not going to get this content anywhere else. Alright. You're right. If we want it to pump, we have to do the Pokemon guitar cover, the metal version. I don't know which one is best, but this guy looks good. That's not the Pokemon theme song. Yeah, that's definitely not the Pokemon theme song, though. Yeah. Let's see. How's my trade doing? Sheesh. Defeat. Utter defeat, guys. Utter defeat. Your boy Jason Casper. Utterly defeated. 12-minute red dot. Just got the ding in my ears, guys. Alright, that's it. Forget it. Forget it. Now that I'm done short, now that I'm done long, this is where the real pump comes in. The only hope we now have, guys, is to come below this wick right here. And then if not, I'm looking for much, much lower. Honestly. Honestly. So, yeah, honestly, man. What a bummer, guys. What a bummer. What a bummer. What a bummer. Waiting for lower now. Now we're gonna get our real pump, guys. Now we're gonna get our real pump. Yeah, is the copyright gonna happen for like a normal like guitar cover videos? See, that's the thing that I don't know. That's the thing that I don't know. But my next take profit for the short is down here at 28,568, 28,600, 28,600. So let's see what happens with the short, guys. And that's my only hope. You know, it's my only hope. So, you know, what a waste. Honestly, what a waste. That long trade, what a waste. I just wasted a whole bunch of money today. You know, I could have had $2,000 of realized profit on that long. Because of the long I took this morning, and because of the other long, I could have just taken profits on it, and I didn't, right? So now I literally have $200 of daily realized profit for that long. What a waste. Your boy Jason Casper flopping and groping. Sheesh! It's okay. I'll take it. I'll take a $3,000 day. That's the thing. That's the thing. Once I've locked in my win for the day, I get a little bit more gambly. That's just how I roll, man. And now, of course, we've got juicy uneven cheeks on the 1 minute, guys. Juicy uneven cheeks on the 1 minute. Let's see what's happening over here. Anything of note? Anything noteworthy? Yeah, honestly, I'd say this looks pretty noteworthy. I said this actually does look like a little noteworthy here. But a lot of longs closed out, man, including mine. Like, this is me. This big decrease in open interest here, that was my long getting stopped out, baby. Stopped out, baby. Right here. This was my long right here. 5 million longs closed out. Your boy Jason Casper right here. Right here, you know. And we do have some people shorting this as well. And I'm honestly, I'm going to sit out. I'm going to sit out of the markets right now. Yeah. Do I have videos of my guitar days? Yeah, let me see if I can find some videos of me playing guitar here. But I don't want you guys to know anything about it. So here, hang on 1 second. Let me hide the screen for 1 second.
Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal. Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal. Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal. Hello,
Alright, guys. Here's a video of me and my band member tracking guitars in the studio. This was many years ago. This was many, many years ago. Alright, that's it, guys. Now we're back to the pig nibbles. So, the second episode of Carl from the Moon is coming out soon. It's coming out real soon, I promise. Yeah, actually, we do need to make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. But if we do go to the Jason Casper channel, man, one of these videos has to have Carl from the Moon singing. We're rejecting off the, you know, it has to. One of these old videos. I wonder if I can find it, you know. He deleted his music channel. I used to play it during the countdown.
Not looking so great, right? That's not.
Hang on, guys. We're gonna find this. We're gonna find Carl from the Moon singing. No, we're never gonna find it, man. We're never gonna find it. All right, forget it. I can't search for it in YouTube because it was like in my own stream. Yes, Carl was in my chat. And Carl, you know, I wish he would come back into my chat. You know? I wish he would. I wish he would. Alright, what's happening with the corn? I don't know, guys. Man, what a waste, what a waste. You know, trading on YouTube is a little bit difficult, I'll tell you guys. What a waste. I wrote it all the way up here and all the way back down. What a waste. Sheesh, man. Alright, well, I think it's about time to start heading out. What do you think, Big Butts 28? Okay, Big Butts thinks I should head out. Alright, guys, well, I pray everyone's super blessed in the name of Yeshua, Jesus the Messiah, and, What? That's not this stream. But if anyone did pray for my niece from the VIP stream, thank you. And, yeah, receive this blessing, y'all. Yevarechecha Adonai v'yishmerecha ya'er Adonai panav elecha v'chunecha yisa Adonai panav elecha v'yasem lecha shalom b'shem Yeshua HaMashiach Elohei Israel. In English, that means may the Lord bless and protect you, cause His face to shine light upon you, and have grace upon you. May the Lord turn His face towards you and give you completeness in the name of Jesus the Messiah, the God of Israel. Amen. Well, guys, it's been a boring stream as far as trades go. It's been a $3,000 day for me. Could have been more, but you know, flopping and groping, baby. What are you going to do? Peace, y'all.